Active vs Passive Prospecting on Social Media, Part 1. It's no secret that social media prospecting is a hot topic in the network marketing space. These days it seems like distributors everywhere are chomping at the bit to start building their business online, using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to find hot new prospects, but, despite all the buzz, not everyone is achieving success. Why is that? Why do some networkers appear to naturally attract an eager crowd while others seem to near instantly repel everyone they reach out to?
Hello, how you doing? Hope you're all doing great. And I believe you all had a wonderful day. Welcome to my platform. I'm so excited to be with you once again. In case you're not seeing for the first time, I'm Ogo Hilary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I help business owners, network marketers, and entrepreneurs to be able to know their targeted market and prospect using an online business tools that can be used on all the social media platforms to be able to generate leads and make more sales. I also assist investors. I can send you some information if you've been taking any of my online professional tools that will help you with the skills you need to know about attraction marketing. Welcome to my platform. I'm so excited to be with you. I believe you are all doing fine. Today I have a very lovely topic to share with you today that will help each and every one of us in this journey. And the title of my topic is Active versus Passive Prospecting on Social Media Platform, Part 1. Active versus Passive Prospecting on Social Media, Part 1. It's my desire to see each and every one of us excel in their business. Today we are going to tweet on active versus passive prospecting on social media, part 1. It's no secret that social media prospecting is a hot topic in the network marketing space. These days it seems like distributors everywhere are chopping at the bit to start building their businesses online using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to find hot new prospects. But despite all the buzz, not everyone is achieving success. Why is it that? Why is some networker that appear to naturally attract an eager crowd while others seem to near instantly repel everyone that reach out to? Well, luckily the answer is simple. The fix is quick and it has everything to do with understanding what you are actually selling. Hence, despite what your upline might have told you, you are not selling a product or opportunity to practically anyone that breeds no less. And because of this widespread misunderstanding of our industry, most distributors, through no fault of theirs, are following ineffective, outdated, and other downright irritating prospecting tactics, but both online and offline. I mean both online and offline. The master recruiting secret is to flip the script on the traditional pushy style of approach and instead to invite your prospect to sell themselves. Believe it or not, it's easier than it sounds. If you know how to offer the invitation of course, pay attentive and you will discover how to do just that. First and foremost, though, we need to get clear on the following distinction when it comes to social media prospecting. Active prospecting versus passive prospecting. Starting with active prospecting. So what is active prospecting? I know it's very strange to a lot of people. What is active prospecting? Well, it's when you initiate a conversation with the intention of seeing if the person with whom you are speaking with is fit for your product or service. What is active prospecting? I repeat. It's when you initiate a conversation with the intention of seeing if the person with whom you are speaking is fit for your product or service. Basically, you are trying to create a business interaction ultimately leading to a sale or a conversation about joining your business through social media prospecting. Know that you are the one initiating this conversation. Most network marketers are taught the wrong mindset. Most network marketers are taught the wrong mindset. An example is what we are normally taught to do in network marketing through our cold market. For instance, approaching a stranger in a public place, striking up a conversation, and eventually delivering an invite to take a look at your business or your product. Here's another common active prospecting scenario: prospecting your waiter or waitress or Uber driver, thinking that they might be a great fit for your business. Again, it's called active prospecting because you are initiating the conversation. How not to actively prospect? The main problem with active prospecting is that most network marketers are taught the wrong mindset. Thus, they are approaching a potential prospect with a mindset of selfishness, where every conversation has an agenda behind it. And this ulterior motive creates an aura of desperation and needless, which isn't fun for anyone. If you're being honest, who wants to talk to that kind of person, right? If you have ever been on the receiving end before, you know exactly what I mean. It's uncomfortable and often makes you feel rude. What does effective prospecting look like? In contrast with the typical agenda-driven social media prospecting conversation, master prospector cultivates a different mindset and radically different behavior. Master prospector always approach from a mindset of services or service. Here is a great quote from one of my mentors, Mike Dillard. You must give without want before you can have. Here is what you need to always remember. People ain't prospects. People are people. And people only become a prospect when there is an actual interest in your business. How do you know if there is an interest in your business? Well, you ask questions and listen. That's effective social media prospecting. I know it's crazy. A master prospecting conversation involves asking questions and listening for a need, want, problem, or desire. Here's what that looks like in practice. At some point, as someone is sharing their story, they are going to say something that gets your ears perked up because that person expressed something that is wrong in their life, a problem that they have or a need. It can be a need, want, or desire they want to fulfill on. Only once you have identified their problem can you help them to achieve a solution. As master prospector listens for that in points during the conversation, and then and only then might they reply after listening. For instance, hey John, this you insert the problem seems to be really important to you. If I can introduce something which could help you with that, would you be open to hearing about it? That's after listening to your prospect, to that person. That's when you can point out the problem. That's when you can give out a solution. This is what a master prospector does through social media prospecting. A master prospector invites based on a specific desired outcome or the solution to a certain problem that somebody has expressed during a conversation. Again, this approach is coming from a viewpoint of service. You are helping, truly helping that person through social media prospecting. Thank you so much for tuning. Stay tuned for the part 2. If you would like to learn more about working effectively, thinking critically, and getting real results in your business, then I strongly recommend getting access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp and discover how to build your business using attraction marketing. You can click on the link below or click on the learn more on my fan page. Opt in your name email to get it. You will learn all about the specific tools and techniques we use to connect with prospects online. So you never have to act desperate, chase down or strong arm prospect, or deal with cold calling and rejection ever again. This may allow you to build your business automatically, where prospects reach out to you instead of you having to reach out to them. The bottom line is that in today's age, you don't need to be pushy, obnoxious, or overly aggressive to build a successful business online. So if you are ready to get started, click below to get access to the 10-day online recruiting program today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and God bless you.
Follow me for tips, tools and training to professionally build your network marketing business online, to get targeted prospects and team members. Follow me for tips, tools and training to professionally build your network marketing business online, to get targeted prospects and team members. Thank you for tuning in.